Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a little different from our usual content. We'll be exploring the Rimac Nevera, its technical features and why, in some cases, there might be a need to remove or avoid certain details about its body and engine. We will also dive deep into why hypercars like the Nevera stand out in the electric vehicle (EV) world and what it means for future technology. Before we dive into the details of what we are removing, let's take a moment to appreciate what the Rimac Nevera brings to the table. The Nevera, developed by Rimac Automobili, is an electric hypercar designed to challenge conventional car design. With a staggering 1,114 horsepower, it's one of the most powerful electric cars in existence, delivering mind-blowing performance that leaves traditional combustion engine cars in the dust. To understand what we might be removing, let's take a closer look at the Nevera's body and engine. The Nevera features a lightweight carbon fiber body that helps reduce weight while maintaining a high degree of structural integrity. The sleek body panels are not only for aesthetics, but also play a crucial role in aerodynamics. Its power comes from a quad motor setup, one at each wheel, creating an independent and customizable driving experience. With an 82 kWh battery, the Nevera has a range of around 340 miles on a single charge. Now, you might be asking, why would we need to remove information about the Nevera's body or engine? Well, in certain contexts, removing specific details about a car's engineering might be necessary for a variety of reasons. These could include protecting proprietary technology, intellectual property concerns, or even privacy regulations. Some companies might also choose to limit the availability of detailed information to avoid misinterpretations or misuse by competitors. In any industry, information security is paramount. In the automotive world, this means manufacturers must sometimes safeguard their most valuable designs. This is especially true for companies like Rimac, which are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in automotive engineering. If detailed specs or blueprints are leaked, it could pose a threat to their competitive advantage. To protect sensitive information, many car manufacturers, including Rimac, utilize a variety of methods to safeguard their designs. This includes encrypting files, limiting access to certain details, and working with trusted partners who adhere to strict confidentiality agreements. By controlling who has access to what, companies can prevent leaks and ensure their designs are not misused by third parties. The Nevera isn't just a car, it's a symbol of what's possible in the future of electric vehicles. As the world